Acer Aspire A515-46-R14K Slim Laptop, 15.6 inches Full HD IPS, AMD Ryzen 3 3350U quad-core mobile processor, 4GB DDR4, 128GB SSD, Wi-Fi 6, Backlit KB, Amazon Alexa, Windows 10 Home, S-Mode Powerful Productivity. AMD Ryzen 3 3350U delivers desktop-class performance and amazing battery life in a slim notebook. With Precision Boost, get up to 3.5 GHz for your high-demand applications. Maximized visuals, see even more on the stunning 15.6 inches Full HD display with 82.58% screen-to-body, 16:9 aspect ratio and narrow bezel. Backlit keyboard and fingerprint reader, biometric fingerprint reader and Windows Hello sign-in options help keep your Acer PC secure. Internal specifications, 4GB DDR4 onboard memory, 1 slot available, 128GB in solid-state drive storage, 1 hard drive bay available, to store your files and media. Acer's Purified.Voice technology features enhanced digital signal processing to cancel out background noise, improve speech accuracy and far-field pickup, which not only makes calls clearer, but makes talking to Alexa easier than before. Using Alexa on your PC is as easy as asking a question. Just ask and Alexa can check your calendar, create lists, play music, answer questions, read the news and more. Secure operating system, Windows 10 Home, S-Mode, comes with advanced security features built right in, like protections against phishing and malicious software so you don't have to think twice when navigating to a new web page or downloading an app. Show more.